Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to make a 3D house. Yes guys. So guys, for making a 3D house, we are going to use the software called Tinkercad. Yes, and the link will be in the description, so make sure you check it out. And before going into the video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and like the video and comment your ideas and any queries if you want. And the like goal will be 15, and if you complete the like goal, I'll make another 3D video. So guys, for making a 3D house, we are going to use just basic shapes for now. As we are just starting in this software, we are going to use basic shapes. So first let's take this red square. I'll just start it as we can use it in further future. Yep, and let's just increase it to 50. Oh, it's small. Let's make it 75. You can use your own dimensions, guys. There is no rule that you have to use my dimensions only. You can use any of your dimensions. And let's just fix it. Oops. The moving is only a bit of problem here in this software, that's all. And let's increase the length of this too. Let's make it like 30, as it's already long. It will come from here to here. So next let's just add a pillar. Let's just decrease its length and breadth, 3 and 3. Oh, 32. It will be so long. Yep, and let's just bring this pillar into here. Yep, see. You can do anywhere in this workspace, but don't take it out of the workspace, because you might need the squares, these squares, like that. So yeah, now let's add a roof for it. First let's add it from here. Let's just increase its height now to to 20, as the default is 20 only. And let's just move it in here. And increase its length, this one. Yep, let's give it 45. 50. Yep, 50 is correct, and it's a bit side. Let's just go to top view and make it to bring it big to a side. Bring it to side. Yep, now it's correct. Yeah. Oh, just ignore this piece. Or it's a glitch, I think. Yeah, it's a glitch, I can see it. So let's just add another roof for this part. What? Let's just delete this again and add this again, and let's turn it by yes. What is happening? Yes, by 45. Another 45. Yep. Yeah, I forgot to type 90 degrees, sorry guys. And let's just increase it to 20 again now. Yeah, yes. Now let's just drag this thing into here. Okay, and now let's increase its length to 75 only. No problem if it glitches, but it is it looks nice, right? Like this, an L shape from here. Inverted L, sorry. And now let's take another square and decrease its height. Yep, here. And let's just make it 5, I guess. Oh no, it's a bit thick. Let's just keep it 2. Minimum 2 it should be, or else it wouldn't look nicer. So yeah. So now let's give it like 50, and this let's just give it like oh not 5 15. Yeah, now let's increase it. I increase its height 20. Yep. And now let's just drag it in here. Let's just increase its length a bit, like 52. Yeah. So oh, there is a bit more space right there. So let's just give it like 53. If one more. Yep, now it's perfect. Now let's just add a door, because without a door the house is nothing. 5. Oh, it is too small. Let's give it 10. Yep. Let's just decrease its height, width and length. Let's give it 5. Let's just increase the height to 10, because most of the doors will be like width will be more. Yes, 15. Yeah, now it's perfect. Now let's just move this into this, and let's just color it like white for now. Yep. So now let's add a window here. Decrease its height 5, length 5, breadth 5, because most of the windows will be like white only, and even in my house. So let's increase its height, and let's just move it into here. Oh, let's just increase its length, I guess 10. Yeah. Let's just bring it forward so it won't glitch. And yep, our house is complete, and hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more cool interesting videos, and until that, bye bye.